Comfort Services, your heating and air experts in the Midlands, is helping you get your cool on again. You have trusted Comfort Services since 1976, and this summer we will continue to earn your business. As it gets hotter, we plan to help you get your cool on by offering you up to $1,600 in rebates on qualifying carrier systems. Being a carrier factory authorized dealer, you can turn to the experts. This Cool Cash program is brought to you by the people that help you get your cool on. Comfort Services. For more, visit comfortservices.com.